To add a 1099 Misc on TurboTax, start by logging into your TurboTax account and selecting the tax return you want to work on. Once you are in the tax return, click on the Wages and Income section. In this section, you will see a list of income types, including 1099 Misc. Click on the Start or Update button next to 1099 Misc to begin the process. You will then be prompted to enter the information from your 1099 Misc form, including the payer's name, address, and tax identification number. You will also need to enter the amount of money you received, which is typically found in Box 7 of the 1099 Misc form. As you enter this information, TurboTax will guide you through the process and ask follow-up questions to ensure you are taking advantage of all the deductions and credits you are eligible for. For example, if you are self-employed, you may be able to deduct business expenses on your tax return. Once you have entered all the necessary information, review it carefully to ensure it is accurate. You can then proceed to the next step in the tax preparation process, which may include entering other income types or claiming deductions and credits. It is also important to note that you will need to have a copy of your 1099 Misc form in order to complete this process, as you will need to reference the information on the form to enter it into TurboTax. Additionally, if you received multiple 1099 Misc forms, you will need to enter each one separately. By following these steps, you can easily add a 1099 Misc to your tax return using TurboTax. The software will then use this information to calculate your tax liability and ensure you are taking advantage of all the deductions and credits you are eligible for.